Hi, this is Steve with FittleBug. I just wanted to share with you a recent fix we did to FittleBug to resolve an issue which now allows all HouseCall Pro employees' calendars to sync instantly and accurately 100% with FittleBug calendars. And this opens up a huge opportunity if you're familiar with FittleBug. To be able to have more than just a web form that might be offered through other services. You now can sync the two calendars together. So let me show you what it is. I'm in the HouseCall Pro calendar right now, and I'm going to show you that there are 3 employees in my example, and they're named Brian, Bill, and Wesley. So there are 3 employees in HouseCall Pro. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some block time for each one of these employees in the HouseCall Pro calendar. And I'll go ahead and I'll add on Friday the 7th, let's say 10 a.m. And I'll just go ahead and do it for you and be right back. So here you can see I've added 1 client for this particular employee. Now I'll do another. So here's my second one, Sally Smith, assigned to a different employee. Now I'm going to add 1 more since I have 3 trucks. So, okay, just to recap, 3 different employees are servicing this 3 different clients at the same time, 10 a.m. on Friday, April the 7th. Now, the way HouseCall Pro calendar syncs out to Google Calendars is when you're logged in to your Google Calendar and go to the calendar area, you'll notice a HouseCall Pro calendar right here. The way that they do it is they sync all the orders of any employee into one calendar. So here they are, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 10 o'clock, serviced by Bill, Brian, and Wesley. And that's fine, except if you wanted to sync with another program like FittleBug. So what we had to do was associate which FittleBug calendar Bill should go in, Brian should go in, and Wesley should go in. And that's what we did. So when you look at the calendars within FittleBug on the 7th, you'll see that there's a blue associated with Bill, a green associated with Brian, and a purple associated with Wesley. So now you have a transition from HouseCall Pro through Google Calendars, 1 calendar, and broken apart into FittleBug back into the original one-to-one relationship. Let me give you an example. If we drag Tom in HouseCall Pro down to 12 o'clock, once that takes place and is confirmed, we could probably actually watch it go in the Google Calendar. Okay, sorry, I drug it to the 12:30 time slot, not the 12. So you'll see in the Google Calendars it's now at 12:30. Now when we go over to the FittleBug side, you'll see that the calendar for the provider in blue, which is Bill, has drugged down to the 12:30 time slot, and the other 2 are still at 10. So if you do all of your changes the way you normally have in the HouseCall Pro program, and they will go through the Google Calendar connection, and it will sync up with your FittleBug, so that when a consumer is looking at you 24 hours a day, choosing services exactly that they want you to do, they can see exactly when you're available and exactly when you're not available, because the FittleBug scheduling is synced with the HouseCall Pro scheduling through the Google Calendars. So that's the way it works, and here's the particulars of it. You just need to call the provider in FittleBug or the calendar in FittleBug, whatever you called them in HouseCall Pro. So if it's Sally, Tom, or I'm sorry, my apologies. If it's Wesley, Bill, or whatever, that's what you need to call them in FittleBug. Bill, Brian, and Wesley. And then we associate that by pulling the first word here, Brian, Wesley, and Bill, and breaking it into the appropriate route within FittleBug. So that's how we do that. Any questions? Drop me a line. You can call the number on your screen, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through a live example. Thanks so much. Have a great day.